H2H Digital RX application boasts cutting-edge technologies, leveraging React for the front end and Java for the back-end services. This strategic combination ensures a remarkably lightweight application that loads with exceptional speed, delivering a truly enriched user experience. Our development process was influenced by invaluable customer feedback, insights from SureScripts, and a keen awareness of prevailing industry trends, collectively shaping an application that stands at the forefront of innovation. Let's explore some of the top aspects of the platform. Login modes. We provide two forms of access for the H2H DRX. One is standalone access, where application users can directly log into H2H DRX via the login page, and the other is integrated access, where users would land on the DRX new RX or patient search page from their application. Profiles. H2H Digital RX supports user roles such as physician, nurse practitioner, physician assistant, provider nurse practitioner, and provider physician assistant under the provider category, and roles such as provider agent, clinical staff medical assistant, and non-clinical front desk staff under the non-provider category. Design. The modern design makes all of the controls, notifications, alerts, and navigation links visible throughout the application. It makes the patient snapshot visible throughout the application, allowing the prescriber to view the patient's details at any time. Active drugs would allow the physician to go over the medications that the patient is currently consuming. The links on the left navigation will be used for patient record navigation. Alerts and notifications displayed in bubbles would attract the application user's attention and prompt them to take the appropriate actions promptly. The physician controls on the right side navigation bar would allow him to easily access account-related actions. New RX. Let's explore an instance of prescribing a drug to a patient using the New RX tab to demonstrate how the modern design of the platform simplifies the process. After landing on the RX pad to prescribe a drug to the patient, go to the Drug Name tab for searching the required drug. Select a drug from the list. After selecting the drug, it will go for the RTF call and populate alternative drugs. If an alternative drug is to be selected, click on the drug name, otherwise close the pop-up screen. The SIG field provides instructions for when and how to use the medication. Users can either choose from the drop-downs by deselecting the Use Free Text checkbox, or they can manually enter the information by checking the Use Free Text checkbox. Enter the values that are required for the prescription, like quantity, refill, days supply, and other fields. Now click on Search icon of Pharmacy tab to populate the pharmacy search pop-up. Enter the required pharmacy name in Name field and click on Search to get the list of pharmacies matched with the name. You can also use other fields to make the search easy. Now click on the pharmacy name to populate the same on RX pad. You can write Note to Pharmacy and click on Confirm Prescriptions button. Once the summary screen appears, check all the prescription details before sending to pharmacy. Check the allergy and drug interactions for the prescribing medications, and then click on Send to Pharmacy button. Now check the prescription status in the Prescribed Status pop-up, close the pop-up. From the summary screen along with Send to Pharmacy, you have another two options: Save and Print. Click on Save option to save the prescription for later use. You can click on Print option from summary screen to print the prescription. Close the pop-up. All the prescriptions can be checked under Medication History tab. The prescriptions sent electronically or printed are shown in Medication History tab, and the saved prescriptions are shown under Saved Prescriptions tab. The provider can check the medications from SS Medication History, where the list contains the medications prescribed outside of H2H Digital RX, by giving the patient consent as yes and clicking on Get History. It will display the list of medications, and provider can click on any drug and re-prescribe. From New RX pad, there is a provision to prescribe multiple prescriptions at once. For this, after filling one prescription, click on Add New button to add another medication. This will add another RX in the RX tab with numbering, and you can add another medication by searching drug and filling the prescription with all details like earlier. You can add any number of prescriptions by clicking on Add New option. If the prescription is no longer required, that can be deleted by clicking on cross icon in RX, click on Confirm to delete. Value added services. Cancel RX. Cancel RX helps provider to cancel a prescription that is electronically sent to pharmacy. RX change. Rx Change allows pharmacy to request to change a prescription covering therapeutic interchange and generic substitution. Rx Fill is a communication sent from a pharmacy to a prescriber indicating the fill status of the new or resupplied prescriptions for a patient. Refill enables pharmacies to request medication renewals from providers, ensuring continuous access to essential medications for patients. Reports. H2H Digital Rx offers prescribers a variety of reports, covering patient prescriptions, prescriber history, saved prescriptions, user activity, patient medications, and pharmacy data. Electronic Prior Authorization (EPA). The EPA Electronic Prior Authorization System empowers users to efficiently streamline the prior authorization workflow electronically, facilitating quicker approvals and enhancing prescription pickup rates. Prescription Drug Monitoring Program (PDMP). A Prescription Drug Monitoring Program (PDMP) is an electronic database that tracks controlled substance prescriptions. PDMPs can help identify patients who may be at risk for overdose. Real-Time Formulary (RTF). RTF dynamically updates medication lists, incorporating new drugs and aligning with guidelines, cost, and patient needs for informed prescribing decisions. Real-Time Prescription Benefit (RTPB). RTPB instantly provides information on a patient's medication coverage and associated costs during the prescribing process, optimizing decision-making. Medication Alerts/Warnings. H2H Digital Rx sends instant prescription status notifications, allowing providers to swiftly identify and address failed transactions. Fasten the e-prescription system. EPCSQ. All controlled substance drugs can be queued up at a single place and sent to pharmacy by doing 2FA at once, reducing the time to complete 2FA multiple times. Post-dated prescriptions. The prescriptions can be scheduled to release on a future date to reduce manually writing prescriptions on the wanted date. Customizable Rx templates. User can create a set of prescriptions and save it as a template, which can be reused within a single click in order to save time. Favorite drugs. User can save mostly used medications as favorite, making it faster to select and prescribe directly. Saved prescriptions. The provider can save patient prescriptions, and at any instance those can be prescribed directly. Favorite pharmacies. The prescriber can save the favorite pharmacies and select them when prescribing, which saves time to search the pharmacy. Represcribing medications from patient history. The prescriptions that are already sent to pharmacy are listed in medication history and can be represcribed whenever required. A few other highlights of H2H Digital Rx are mobile-friendly. Access our application seamlessly on various devices, including mobile phones, iPads, and tablets, for a convenient and user-friendly experience. Cloud-based. Efficient data storage and accessibility in a scalable digital environment. We are compliant with HIPAA and 1311 DEA. Strict adherence to healthcare data security regulations for privacy and integrity. Customer support items. Chatbot/virtual assistants. This intelligent chatbot tool linked with H2HDRX would assist the provider in checking the status of logged issues, creating new occurrences, and determining whether the provider has any queries. Based on the type of difficulty that the users are experiencing, the chatbot will advise them on what may have gone wrong. We make the bot intelligent by feeding it all of the queries that we have been receiving from support constantly to make it more advanced, realistic, and virtual assistant. H2H Digital Rx Ticketing System. Ticket can be initiated from the application itself by adding required details and can check the status timely. Customer support. Mail us at drxsupport@h2hsolutions.com. Call on 2486751200 for 29 182. We provide round-the-clock customer assistance through L1 Customer Support, L2 Immediate Support, and L3 Technical Support teams, all with mutually agreed SLAs. Help Center. Our Help Center provides a detailed step-by-step overview of the operations, allowing users to get their questions answered before contacting customer service. The complete technical document provides a clear explanation of all integration processes required for the integration. We can schedule a demo to give a glimpse on our feature set. Contact us for more information. Mail us at drxsupport@h2hsolutions.com. Call on 2486751200 EXTN for 29 182.